This workshop is great useful,
full of content,
compact,
inspire me,
amazing,
very interesting,
very useful.
After attending the workshop, I can clearly understand how is the branding, how is the category management, and also the strategy.
This workshop, what I have learned is the brand management and the category management. From category management, we learn all about the category scorecard, supplier scorecard as well. So from the whole 3 days, what I have learned is it is a very fundamental for me to bring back to my organization and apply into it.
It has a very well planned syllabus, and it also has a very fun activities. So it inspired me a lot through category management. It helps me to plan well, and I really learned a lot from this workshop.
During this 3 days of training, I can learn that if a business wants to grow, we need to understand, have a business plan strategy. We need to know what is our customer target audience and what is our customer needs. In order that we build it, design it so that the customer get what they get, and the company also gain sales and profit. So the company will grow.
you will be able to learn a lot from this workshop in terms of how to design a brand and how to categorize your product category in order for you to better understand how to design for better profit.
So after these 3 days of the workshop with retail coach, so I learned about the importance of manage the branding and our category management and also our inventory stock.
What I learned is we need to find what is the customer need, then we only go to find the supply. We need to design what is the category for each product. Mix of product is very important for the inventory turnover. From the 3-day workshop, I get a whole picture of the category management. A good category management actually is work from the whole team of the company because it's interrelated from each department. So we must have to know the whole process, what is the idea in order to achieve our final objective is to earn the profit.
So now is to defend us how to make it have a clear-cut direction for our daily routine job.
Welcome you all to join and know more regarding of this workshop.